Jonathan Luby here at Certike Sport 20, checking out a brand new 2026 Beneteau. This is the Antares 11 model with a Flybridge. Follow me aboard, guys. Gonna kind of try and do a quick walkthrough here. We've got some really unique features starting right here. Got a little diesel hookup for your generator so we get nice and warm inside. Nice heat and air. Nice little isinglass extends the boat. If we don't want that isinglass, we can completely enclose ourselves here. Makes it even warmer or cooler, just depending on the day and what weather we want to desire. Also, incredibly quiet when this is closed. Feels like you're in a sailboat. Working our way to the helm, we've got all kinds of features. Haven't installed our TV yet, but we plan on putting one here in the salon. Got a nice cooktop underneath here, nice refrigerator, and some dining sets in here. This seat's pretty cool. Flips into a nice little dinette, or that seat that you just saw facing forward while we're underway. Getting to the driver's helm. If you don't feel so comfortable down here, guys, it's a Flybridge. We've got a helm up top. You can drive outside the boat, have great visibility from the back. If you want some better visibility as well, just switch the screen over to the camera and watch the back of the boat as you pull in. One of my personal favorite features is I find myself at the helm most of the time is how accessible the rest of the boat is to the driver. So just quickly opening our door here, I step straight out. If I'm at a side dock as well, I've even got a half door here, a dive door as we call it, that goes straight to the dock. From this spot, I can go all the way to the back of the boat, or I can go up to the nice bow area there. We do have a slightly larger walkway on the starboard side, so traditionally getting to the bow on this boat would be done on the starboard side. Follow me down here, guys, to the front helm. All right, now that we're downstairs, just gonna kind of do a little walkthrough of this bedroom. Nice little set here, plenty of headroom. Another area for a TV just behind me, and a Jack and Jill bathroom with a full sink, porcelain toilet, and a separate shower, beautiful area down here, very well designed. As I step forward here, opens right back up into the salon of the boat. If you have some more company, I'm going to invite you guys to the back of the boat here and check out this bedding area down here. I've got a ladder here that's out. Again, guys, that thing can fold up. It does stow in a little bit. We just had it out so we can get up to the roof. Going up to the Flybridge here, we've got a second helm. So joystick parking for downstairs, joystick parking for up here. Got a bow thruster as well, so really a lot of control of the boat. If you'd like to find out anything more about the details of it, some more features, maybe take it out on the water and see what it's priced at, reach out to us, Certike Yamaha. My name is Jonathan. Thanks for your time.